How y'all doing? This Technology King bringing you another video. Today I will be talking about Malwarebytes. It's another tool to clean malicious pieces of software off your computer. Here we go, guys. As you can see, I'm right here at malwarebytes.com. Okay, all you do is click here. They have two plans. These are paid. These two are paid right here. They have a free version, which we'll be getting today. I'm going to click download. Of course, the paid version has some more options. They do allow you to try out the premium version for 14 days. Okay, I already have it installed, so we're not going to do that. This is just showing you what you get. They have a virus protection software. Typically, I don't use that. Okay, just wanted to show you guys that. Now we're going to jump right into the program. Okay, this is Malwarebytes. This is the free version with the 14-day premium trial as well. So right now I have it for 14 days, the premium version with all the features. You can do the same. This is totally free. Okay, what I'm going to do is just hit scan and let it do its thing. It's going to do its thing. It already found one problem. Found 3 problems. It's almost done, guys. It's scanning the system files, as you can see. Okay, boom. Here's the problems. They're not major. What you want to do when you find the problems, hit quarantine. This will stop the malicious software in its tracks. That's simple, guys. Stop the malicious files in its tracks. It's good to go.